Everybody, this is Johnny Ringo with Las Vegas Bus Sales, and what I've got right here is a 2012 Micro Bluebird. Love these, on a Chevy chassis there. Seats 14 passengers, slick clean white. Let's take a look around. Love these buses. We had some of the Collins Bantam buses here. They were small like this. They're just great buses. They handle really well. I'm a fan of Chevy. Let's take a look under the hood real quick. Kind of improvise here. For those of you who always wonder how to get in here, it's a real clean engine compartment. It's got that Chevy Vortec 4.8 Chevy Vortec. I think I said it before, this bus, I want to call them a shuttle, use it as a shuttle, 25,000 miles. Actually, to be exact, it has 25,978. Very low mileage, 2012, clean. You got that skirt mounted condenser there. Straight metal all the way around. This thing photographed really well. Yours truly took the pictures earlier and put them online. Rear end, no dings, no dents. Nobody's backed into anything. You got this nice little rear back door that pops open. You got all kinds of safety alarms, of course, that go off when you open it. Floor's in great shape. No soft spots. I could imagine if you were looking for a shuttle like this, this would be your shuttle. Low miles, great condition. If you were going to transport passengers, seats are all in great shape. We'll see that when we get inside there. But this side, same story. Nice clean windows. Look at that, Dan's do such a great job. They look like brand new. But come on, let's take a look inside. Tread steps are all in great shape. You know, I really want to hop in that driver's seat and show you, but I think Alex here operating the camera will get a better vantage without my big head in the way. So check it out. It's really great shape. Steering wheel is in great shape. It's not all dinged up. Dash isn't cracked. No fading. Just for a shuttle for this age, it's just really exceptional shuttle. You know, Alex, am I not doing my job? You want me to push some of those buttons?
Yeah.
Let me show you that door real quick.
Yeah.
Open. Let's close that door. See the door close? It's really smooth. Shuts really well. And you saw them all. Got your dome lights, everything else. You got mirror defrost. These are manual operated windows, however. Come to the rear of the bus. That AC is blowing nice and cool. It's keeping this bus nice and cool. But get a look at those seats, Alex. Look what great shape they're in. Hey, that's our 2012 Micro Bluebird. 25,975 miles. Excellent little bus. If you're looking for something like this, you can go look at our website, LasVegasBusSales.com. Call us. Call me. Call Alex. 877-456-9804. Go ahead and click that up there. It's a sunny day here in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.